I have a little surprise planned. Bet you guys can tell where I'm at. I'm at a surprise location. Oh, by the way, I'm testing out my new GoPro. Looks great. I wonder how it sounds. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys where I'm at. No one can figure out this location. Yes, I'm at the airport. Yes, I'm at the airport going to Jamaica. So today I'm a lone ranger all by myself. Going to take care of some business in Jamaica and come back. I'll be taking you guys along with me. I'll be doing all the vlogging this time. Sharika is not here, so I will bring you guys along with me on my journey to Jamaica. So sorry about the sound, and here kind of be a bit noisy. Right, and you know, from a long time I don't speak too loud, so I will be boarding shortly. So if the sound is a bit low, it's because I'm in an area where it's pretty noisy. Hello. Anyone who no plan to travel already? No plan to travel again? Right now the airport is crazy. I have a flight leaving Toronto by 9:15, and them say it delay until what, 9:45. Then them say it delay until 10. Them just a change the flight. Oh man, right now I'm frustrated. I don't know what's going on. Like any minute now I can expect them say like there's another time schedule. It's crazy. I don't even know when I'm gonna reach Jamaica. So after how much hours from don't want to tell any lie. I think it's from, they said it's 9 o'clock departure, and now it's 10 o'clock. What the hell? They fling everything. Now it's 10 o'clock and I'm just boarding. So man, it's crazy. So I'm back in Jamaica again. I can feel the heat down here warm. It's a good look, it's a good feeling. At least. Well, for just a while. traffic up here. Like it was alright, a little bumpy, but that to expect. If I fly on a plane it and it never bumpy. Never. That's how I go. Anyway, come go outside. See what I go on. Yes, people, back in our place again. Just touched down in at the airport. Can't wait to go outside and get some good food to eat. Hungry. They're on the road from 6 o'clock. 5:30. Holy shit. No people. Oh, look at that.
Excuse me? Persons with minors go straight ahead. Ladies go down 9, we go straight ahead. Forms already filled out? Okay, turn the line there. Forms already filled out? Turn the line there. Hands stand in the walkway.
This is immigration.
Right here. The line.
So I'm in flow, trying to get my SIM card. Basically, we have a SIM card until remember to put credit on it. Let them lock it down so I'll see if somebody did it. Or if I go get one new one. So maybe I'll flow the try sort out one chip. So Mario back in the place, but thing about it, the internet now works so good. Right now, flow system down, and you know what happened? I'm gonna switch out my digital phone, go over to flow, and right now, flow they get problem. Yeah, can't make no call, phone and pick up, so I don't know what happened to it. So let me say they get trouble from over there. So maybe they go and fish around tomorrow, bright and early me at it. So morning me just take you guys along with me. What if a video me have to show? What if a things me have to get done, you know? Yeah man. So they have a couple of days and more and see me what amount of stuff me can get done even though me have some run around to do. So yeah man. Rain always a fall. So the place kinda muddy, you know. But there man reach home safe. It's stop running my uncle for a while. You know the man don't like camera and come like a me. So stay away from the video, you know what I mean? But tomorrow man, tomorrow the bashment start, you know? Alright. Have a good night.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me, die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That inna the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That inna the days and now it's every day. You